Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It is me, Jake here, and I'm here to tell you that we finally made it. We're in a hotel called Crystal. See, this is the name of the hotel, but not sort of weird, but this is not a hotel, it's just some thing you use to take a shower with. But this is hotel Crystal. But I'm going to show you some outside. Look at the raining, man. It's all raining outside. See, downtown Cancun, Mexico. This is downtown, man. Oh shit. Dang. So like inside. Well guys, I think in a little while I'm gonna show you a tour in the hotel. Well, peace out.